Hi, I'm Rob Steinke, and this is my Harness Makers Workshop. Great to have you here today, so come on in and see what's on the workbench. This is the most fascinating item, I feel. It is an original hip flask. The cork's missing, but if you have a good look at it, you see all the beautiful engraving the leather worker made. It's shrunk in time. It would have obviously joined up, but time takes its toll. Leather will shrink, but beautifully made. That's the sort of the old style. I also do a more modern style. This one isn't for sale. That's in my collection. This one you will find on my website. You open it up. There we go. And out pops a 4-ounce hip flask. I don't sell the hip flask, just the leather case. So you've got a little case there. That pops in, buckles up. Ideal for a cold day, whether you're driving a horse or out for a walk, and you've got a neck strap. They're all made in the Harness Makers Workshop here. And if you can see your way to give it a little poke on the subscription button. It helps me, it doesn't cost you anything, and you'll get all the updates of what I'm doing, what videos. There's several more to come that I've just filmed today. So thank you for being with me today, and I look forward to seeing you again. Okay, cheerio for now. Bye.